Hello everyone, if you're getting black screen when you're trying to play Waves Meet, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix black screen on Waves Meet easily. So first what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to search for Steam here and then you're going to right click on it, going to open file location, right click on it again, going to open file location here and then right click on it, going to properties, going to compatibility, make sure to run Steam as an administrator and then open Steam up. And now you're going to go into your Waves Meet Games folder. So I'm going to use Counter-Strike 2 as an example. Going to install files, click browse, find the game's exe, right click on Waves Meet, go into properties, go into compatibility, make sure you run Waves Meet as an administrator as well, click OK, and then try to play Waves Meet and you'll see that your game will work correctly now and you will not get that black screen error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next video. Peace.